Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. First thing first, I'm really sorry to be like filming this strange angle, but it's raining a lot. The garage it's really small, so I put the camera somehow so I can make this video. As you know, my plan is to restore this car in the same way that I've been doing with my other projects. The big difference in this car is that I don't pretend to sell the car, and as you know, the other cars I always restore, and then I have to sell the car to buy another car and restore. This Fiat Bravo, it's a really different situation because this car with this engine in Portugal, of course, it only exists 100 examples, 110 I believe. So this car have a really good potential to become a rare car. Of course, I have to work in many different things to give it a good condition. But one of the things that I don't like in this car, it's the green background that have in the panel. My intention is to put, for example, let me turn off this, to put, for example, the headliner in black, all the panels also in black, you know, make a few changes, not just in the exterior but also and in the mechanic but also in the interior. And one of the things that I don't like, you know, it's this green background, and also in the central console which is also green. So I will try to put a blue background installing LEDs. To be honest, I don't know if I bought the right LEDs, but I will remove the panel and see if I bought the right ones or not. But guys, let's go, let's see. I'm gonna disassemble the panel and show you the difference. Let's go. So guys, remove the panel. There is 5 screws, 3 on the top, 1, 2, 3, 2 on the bottom. So you need to slide down the steering wheel a little bit. Okay, and there is another one that I believe I don't have, but is another one on this side, on the back. So I will remove these first 2. First, another one. So as I mentioned, right below here, probably I cannot capture, but there is another screw that you need to remove. If you want, you can also remove these covers to be easier to slide this. Now we have 2 screws on the top and another 2 on the bottom. So guys, just to show you the screws location that I removed, because I don't even know if the camera is capturing what I'm doing or not. One is over here, another one is right here, and there is 2 more. Let me show. One over here and another one right here. And now the panel is released, so you can see I just need to pull it out. Really easy. Now you have 2 connectors, one right here and another one right here. All you need to do is to remove it by pressing. One is out and the other one. So here's the panel, and here is the bulbs. So here is what you get on the back. So what I pretend to do is, of course, to replace the green ones, the main ones. I removed one of these sockets, and I removed the one that was not working. So my plan is to replace these ones for these LEDs that's supposed to be like blue. So let's install and see how this thing looks like. So this is how it's look like after I place the LED, pretty easy. And I will assembly in the panel, turn it on to test if this thing looks good or not. Right now I will install it back again and test to see if everything is working and if I like it, of course. Let's go, guys. And let's test. Holy moly. Guys, I like it. Let me show. I will get some footage during the night, but this looks awesome, to be honest. Holy. Way better than the green one for me, at least. Leave in the comments what you think. I like it, to be honest. Okay, probably don't forget that I will replace this radio over here for one dim but with a big screen, and I will also remove these green lights for blue ones. Okay, but this is pretty cool, man. Probably will look way better during the night, but I just love it. So guys, I reassembled everything, and as I told you, I will get some footage during the night, because during the day you can probably hardly see in the video the difference. Leave in the comments what you think. I will try to replace also in the central console for blue ones, because of course it makes sense to have this one blue and this one also blue. But guys, leave in the comments what you think. I just love it, to be honest. So guys, thanks for watching, and as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.